Right, so let's just do another quick one. Let's do a marketing video, right? So this is probably for your Facebook page or your social media. Let's just preview this one and pick it, right? Give yourself a reason to smile. Sell big smile. Right, so let's go with this, right? Let's just use it. You're not stuck to that video that's there, but again, it might depend on your pricing tier, how much you're allowed to change it, right? So again, I'm going to go to create up here to get the full timeline. So you can see it's a 20-second video. It's not very long, and it's going to be give yourself a reason to smile, sell a big smile, and start today, right? So again, we can change this. We can go jump in, start now. Oh, start now. Can center it. I can change, if I want to change the video, I can go here, okay, swap, and it's going to come up here with, you want videos, right? Story blogs, video clip, and then you might want to pick a different version, right? So it's a start with a smile. What about this one? We don't really change it for that, do we? There was a kid on a bike a minute ago. Let's go back here. Look. Background. There we go. Here's the kid on the bike. So we're going to click this video. This video you just selected will replace the existing video. Sure you want to do it? Yes. So we can change it, and it's changed it across all three. So now, same thing. We want to do a big smile, but we've changed the video, right? And you can edit it, do what you want with it, change it out. Yes, let's do this one. Let's go back to the start, play. So you can see you're not nailed down to the first part of whatever it is. You can go over to the music, you know, change the sound, give yourself a chance. Oh, it just moved me down. Give yourself a chance. You can quickly change it. Edit stuff again. Give yourself. Move this around if you want this to come in later. You can move all these around. Move everything further back. Change it. Change the transition. Change the effect on the way out. Change the effect on the way in. It's really easy once you start getting used to all these functions of how to do it. How to move things around. And play with stuff, right? If you don't like what you've done, just click undo and it'll reset it. Keep clicking undo until you change stuff. And again, you can just export, preview and export. So I just really want to show you how easy it is to tinker and play, add things. Let's add a hand. Oh, let's add this hand. This is going to be weird. Right, again, change the settings, change the animation, different loop on the animation, turn it around, swap it for something else, swap it for this hand, turn it around. It's a bit freaky. I probably should have picked something that made sense. If I want the hand to come in straight away, I'll move it over here. Right. Did I move it then? Right. All sorts of things you can do. All sorts of things you can play with. And I just, I wanted to show you quickly how to do it. And my video's getting longer and longer. But it's just really cool how there's all these different options and elements. And let's put a flash in. Swap the intro. Oh no, not swap it. I didn't want to swap it. I want to go settings. the effect as it comes in. Let's go from here to the right. So again, from the right hand side, there it is. I'm not very artistic, but hopefully you're getting that you can play, you can add things, you can convert things, you can mess about with things. It's a lot of fun.